Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're featuring one of the most intelligent and captivating birds in the world, the African grey parrot. Known for its incredible cognitive abilities, the African grey parrot stands out not just because of its striking grey feathers and bright, red tail, but for its unmatched intelligence among birds. These birds are famous for their remarkable mimicry skills. They can imitate human speech with astonishing accuracy, making them popular companions. Native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa, African grey parrots thrive in social environments, both in the wild and in captivity. They are highly interactive and can develop deep emotional bonds with their human companions. Listen to that voice. African greys are not just vocal mimics. They're problem solvers and can even learn to recognize objects and shapes, making them truly extraordinary. Thank you for joining us to experience the wonder of the African grey parrot. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife encounters.